Hello, Dennis here with doityourselfdennis.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to drain water out of a hole. What the problem was I had a water leak underground, so I dug the hole to get to the water leak, and the water, or the hole, kind of filled up with water. So I had to drain the water out in order to fix the leak. So I'm going to show you how you can drain the water out without sucking on a hose, just by using basically just a water hose. So let me show you how I do it. You can also use this. It works great for if you got a pool you need to drain. You can use it to drain a pool. It works great for if you've got a winter cover on a pool and you need to take the water off of it after the winter. It works great for it also. So let me get started. I'll show you how you do it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is I've got a water hose and I've got the other end has a nozzle on it. So at this end I'm going to turn the water on, and then we're going to go out to this end, to the other end, and turn the nozzle on. Let the air get out. There we go. Okay, so we're letting the water out. Let the air out. Now we're going to go back up and shut the water off. Okay, so I'm going to lay the camera down because I'm going to disconnect this hose line. Something you'll want to keep in mind is it can spray some water, so you'll keep that in mind. Alright, so we've got our hose. And we're going to take it up to where our hole is. And we're going to stick our hose down in the hole. Okay, we got our hose in the hole. So now we go back down. And we're going to take the hose, the nozzle off. And the water starts draining. In just a minute it'll turn kind of brownish. And that's when the water out of the hole will be. There it goes. See how it turned brown? That dirty water. We'll give it a second. Close to the end, I think. Slowing down. And there's our empty hole. Sucked all the water out of it. It's pretty cool how